Hey, y'all remember Castaway? Oh my gosh, I feel so bad for that guy. Mm. He had to use a skate, an ice skate. Mm. Oh, oh, mm. Oh. For the love of God, come out must be the roots from hell. No transgender in this. Y'all just homophobic. Alright, here we go. Ah! I hope I don't pass out like what the guy did in Castaway. I got blood on it. I know y'all sitting there saying, get a dentist, whatever. This thing is hanging in there. I gotta get it done now because fat boy gotta eat, and I can't eat nothing until I get this thing out here. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I just do it myself because I gotta eat. You know, and I ain't gonna wait. Oh my. Oh. It's almost there, but I'm gonna let y'all know this shit ain't fake. Okay? Oh, this sucker's gonna look on. Alright. What's up? How many of y'all can go out there and just pull your own damn wisdom tooth out? I'm an idiot. Hope you enjoyed it.